So we're gonna do some roasted sweet potatoes and onions as a wonderful side dish. So first thing I'm gonna do is preheat the skillet on medium heat. And then we're gonna cut up our onions and our sweet potatoes. So we've sliced up some sweet potatoes and I'm just gonna stack them up, dice them up. You can use the food processor, but if you want them slightly bigger chunks, which I do, good old-fashioned hand cutting sometimes works best. And then we're going to chop our onions. And one of our friends from church came over and this was so delicious and so simple. It was a great side dish. So we're gonna chop up some onion. I'm gonna use half to a whole onion on the number 3 cone. And since that was a pretty good sized onion, I think that's plenty. We don't wanna use as much onion as we have sweet potatoes. All right. So then we're about 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're just gonna drizzle that over. That is your healthy fat. It's a whole lot better than deep frying. And then we're going to just sprinkle on some sea salt to taste. Don't be afraid of salt if it's a good quality because our body actually does need that. You just don't want to overdo it. And then some good cracked pepper. You can do other seasonings, but this is really all you need and it gives a wonderful flavor. Just toss that around and then we're going to put this into the gently preheating skillet. Now since we're trying to get a roasted effect and we're trying to save the oven heat, it's like our roasted potatoes. You're going to put the lid on top, but you are going to hairline crack it, so allowing a bit of that frying effect. And then probably every, I'm gonna say 5 to 7 minutes, just give it a little bit of a stir in the skillet. We're just gonna pour that in the skillet. You can hear that gentle sizzle. And just let those flavors go to work. And we're going to crack that lid. Let's say it's on tight, just hairline crack it just a bit there and just let it go. All right, it's been about 7 minutes, so we're gonna redistribute everything. It's smelling mighty good. Come back and check on it in another 7 to 10 minutes. So you know me, I've got to try it, right? Took very short time to cut, very little time to cook, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, very nice. You've got the sweetness of the sweet potato, that little savory kick in at the end with the onion. Really good. Thanks, Charlotte, for the recipe idea. I love it.